Hello, welcome to another video with Mathemasoft. Today we'll be solving some questions from JAMB past questions for the benefit of those students that will be writing JAMB or UTME examination. So today we have two questions on the board from simultaneous equation, and simultaneous equation is a very popular topic in mathematics. However, we have some peculiar questions that you need to pay attention to. So let's get to work. Let's look at the question number one that we have on the board. We have solve the following equations. 4x minus 3 equals 3x plus y equals 2y plus 5x minus 12. When you have this kind of equations, what you need to do is to break them down. You take the first with the second, and you can also take the second with the third. That is not just the only way. In fact, even if you take the first with the third, they are all equal. All you are just trying to do is to derive two equations from these that you are going to solve simultaneously for you to get your x and y. So let's give that a try. I want to take 4x minus 3 equals 3x plus y first. Okay, so taking this, I can say I have 4x minus 3x minus y. I'm taking this minus 3 down there equals to 3, and 4x minus 3x will give me x minus y equals to 3. Let me call this my equation 1. So now that I've derived equation 1, so I can take these two also together by having 3x plus y equals 2y plus 5x minus 12. So 3x minus 5x, and then I have plus y here minus 2y, I have minus 12. Okay, I hope you understand that. I have 3x, I brought this down here, minus 5x plus y minus 2y equals to minus 12. So this will give me minus 2x. Okay, this will also give me minus y equals to minus 12. Let me bring out minus 1 here so that we have 2x plus y equals to minus 12. Divide both sides by minus 1, divide both sides by minus 1. That will give me 2x plus y equals 12. Okay, this will be the equation number 2. So from here now, I can substitute for either y or x. I can use them to actually substitute, okay, in equation 2 by saying that from equation 1, I have x minus y equals to 3. So I can say x equals to 3 plus y. So put or substitute x equals to 3 plus y in equation 2. So our equation 2 now is 2x plus y equals 12. So instead of x, I'm going to put 3 plus y. 2 bracket 3 plus y equals 12. 6, I'm using 2 to open the bracket, plus 2y plus y equals 12. So I can say I have 3y equals 12 minus 6. 3y equals 6. Okay, y equals to 6 over 3, y equals to 2. Recall the equation for your x. You already have it that what? X equals 3 plus y. So you can say x equals now 3 plus 2, which is your y. X equals to 5. Therefore, x equals to 5, y equals to 2, or you can see it being written as 5, comma what? 2. So let's go to the option. E is our correct option, where we have what? X as 5, y as 2. So I hope you understand that. So in this kind of equations, so to make it easier for you, just take these two to generate an equation, okay, and use this also to generate another equation. Then you solve it simultaneously to get the value of your x and y. I hope you understand that. So We move to question number 2. Question number 2 is a peculiar one. It's actually a simultaneous equation involving one quadratic equation and one linear equation. So you can see that I have x squared plus xy equals to minus 12, which is the quadratic equation, and this is the linear. So let's write them together. Okay, so I have x squared plus xy equals minus 12. Let's call this equation 1. And then I have 2x plus y equals 4. Let's call this equation 2. So from my equation 2, 2x plus y equals to 4. Y equals to 4 minus 2x. So I can now say put y equals to 4 minus 2x in equation 1, because I generated this from equation 2. So I will substitute it in equation 1. So what my equation 1 states that I have x squared plus xy equals minus 12. So instead of y, I'm putting 4 minus 2x. So I have x squared plus x bracket 4 minus 2x equals to minus 12. So I have x squared plus 4x, I'm using this x to open the bracket, minus 2x squared equals minus 12. So from here, I can say x squared minus 2x squared will give me minus x squared plus this 4x, okay, equals minus 12. But I'm interested in making the coefficient of this my s squared positive because it's negative here. So let's move everything down to that side. So it's going to be minus s squared, we go there, will become s squared, like you're adding s squared to both sides. Okay, that's actually the explanation in mathematics. Okay, s squared, this to that side, minus 4x. You already have this one there, you are not moving it. That's minus 12. Everything remains here as what? 0. So I can say s squared now minus 4x minus 12 equals 0. And this becomes what? A quadratic equation. So let's look at this. It's something that we can factorize. So let's try to factorize this. We have 12. 6 times 2 will give us 12. 6 minus 2 will give us 4. So we can use that to replace 4. S squared minus, instead of 4, I have 6 minus 2x minus 12 equals to 0. The only thing that I change here is 6 minus 2, because it's the one that 6 times 2 that will give me 12, and 6 minus 2 will give me what? This 4. And then you open the bracket. S squared minus 6 times x, 6x minus times minus 2 times x will give me plus 2x minus 12 equals 0. And then you group completely. So I have x minus 6 plus 2 bracket x minus 6, bringing out common factor, equals 0. Because x minus 6 is common, so I will factorize it out. And then what will I have left? X plus 2 equals 0. So x minus 6 equals to 0, or x plus 2 equals to 0. X equals to 6 or minus 2. But these two values you have here are just what? The values of x. So you must find the values of y also. So you recall that you have an equation for your y, which is y equals to what? 4 minus 2x. So you begin one after the other. When you have x equals to 6, so y will be 4 minus 2 bracket 6, which will be 4, okay, minus 12, and that will be minus 8. So let's try to group that together in the form x comma y. So how do we write that? That means that we have x is actually 6, y is minus 8. So this is the first solution. When x is also equals to minus 2, when x is equals to minus 2, remember that what? Your y is equals to 4 minus 2x. That will be equals to 4 minus 2 bracket minus 2. That will be 4 plus 4. That will be equals to 8. Also in the form x comma y, that will be x which is minus 2 comma 8. So our solution will be this and this. That will be 6 comma minus 8, okay, comma minus 2 comma 8. That will be our solution. So let's look at the option. Okay, I think that's option A, 6 comma minus 8 comma minus 2 comma 8. So this will be our solution. I hope you have learned something from the solution we have done today. Try to lay your hands on questions, of this kind, so that you can perfect your knowledge in this area. Till next time I will be coming your way, try to please share out this video, hit on the notification bell for you to get informed anytime I drop a new video. Let me have your feedback in the comment section. You can also send questions to me in the comment section so that I can actually make that into a video for everybody to benefit from. Till next time, I will be coming your way. Remain blessed. Bye for now.